Everyone, this is Billy. I've completed another build of the 3-in-1 Gramophone 3D models that can be used as a crystal radio speaker gramophone, a smartphone amplifier, acoustic one, and also as a Bluetooth speaker box. So I've designed two different styles, the round one on the left and the rectangular one on the right. For the rectangular one, I have fitted in the Bluetooth modules as well. So I will be demonstrating how it sounds in the video and also show you some video of how I made it. The 3D printing files can be downloaded from the link in my blog post. You can find the link to my blog post in the YouTube description. Thanks a lot for your support. If you like my work, look at the blog post I put in there, and there are many ways to support my work. Thank you. This is another 3D printed gramophone speaker base module. I've put in the Bluetooth circuit board here, and this is the charging board here and the lithium battery here, and I also installed a speaker module. So there's a speaker inside and it's connected to this Bluetooth module. You can power it on. Let me power it on.
Music.
And there's the remote control here. And then this switch is to turn the speaker to connect directly to this audio jack, so we can fit the audio from the crystal radio without amplification to the speaker directly when I turn this switch up. And then it won't be playing the music. For example, if I'm playing the music now, I can fill it up, it will connect to the crystal radio speaker directly. Okay, and this is the slot for the phones. There's two slots, the bigger one for this type of big Samsung phones, or the latest iPhone 12 Pro Max. Yeah, it can be put in like this. And then the inner slot, and it's a one layer deeper, is for the smaller phone like the iPhone SE or iPhone 6. Then the speaker outlet from the phone, whether it's in the left or on the right, whether it's stereo or monochrome, will be fed through this hole here to the channel here and to this space here, the soundbox, and then it will be going up to fit the horn speaker. So for example, this horn speaker, you can just put it in here like this, and then the phone will be here like this. So this is the base unit of the multi-purpose gramophone for crystal radio, for smartphone, and also can be used as a Bluetooth speaker. Depending on what module you add, if you want to use it as a smartphone, just cover it with this lid. If you use it for some other purpose, you can just design the right lid to cover it, thicker or thinner, up to you, depending on the size of your speaker. And you can always put the horn speaker on top through this hole. So it will be very sitting there very full. You can then play the music from your smartphone and put it inside. Play the music.